In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a device to the Microsoft family. So if you just added a family member, whether it be a child, a younger sibling, etc., what they need to do is they need to connect their device in order to actually see the screen time they're doing, their activity, and other important information. In other words, this is a really important part of the process. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up family.microsoft.com right over here on any web browser. Remember, family.microsoft.com. Go ahead and enter that in. And then it is going to bring you to this page over here where we can go ahead and manage everything. You may need to log into your Microsoft account. You will need to be the parent or the organizer account in order to actually do this. So anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to go to the family member or the member you want to go ahead and connect their device and select on this option. And you guys have multiple different options. So you can choose either Windows devices. So this could be like a computer, a laptop, etc. Xbox consoles, obviously being Xbox, Android phones, and iPhones as well. For this video, let's go ahead and work with Android phones. So let's go ahead and do that. And now what they need to do is they need to go ahead and actually scan this QR code. So let me go ahead and show you what your family member needs to do from their perspective. Okay, so the first order of business is to scan the QR code. So they need to open up the camera app. Then afterwards, once they scan the QR code, it is going to take them to a website that looks like this. And it is typically going to redirect them to the Microsoft Family Safety app if they don't already have it installed. So I'm going to go ahead and install it really quickly, but keep in mind that they will need to go ahead and install this app, but it is completely free. Then go ahead and press on open. Press on get started. Then they need to go ahead and sign into their Microsoft account. So let me go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, now all they need to do is they need to press on this button that says accept, then go ahead and press on next. Then they can determine whether they want notifications or not. Then they need to press on start using family safety right here. All right, so once the family member logged in with their account, then they're going to see this option. And then all they need to do is they need to press on share my activity right over here. And then what they need to do is they need to turn on Windows, Xbox, mobile, etc. Basically all these things right over here. And then you should be good to go. All right, and now just wait a little bit and you will now notice that it will say one device is connected to view screen time. So from here, you can go ahead and look at that and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.